Hi, beautiful people. We all need mentors in our life, and we need to work on our healings on day-to-day basis. So I have been doing a lot of YouTube videos on Ho'oponopono, and today, like in this video, I'll be talking about a testimony on Ho'oponopono. Hi all, this is Hema Kalwadi here. I'm a life coach, Ho'oponopono healer, law of attraction coach. So today here is Ramya Ramanathan with us here. She's been with me for personal coaching since few weeks, and she's been practicing Ho'oponopono too. And today she wants to share her results. So over to you, Ramya. Like, since how long have you been practicing Ho'oponopono?
2-3 weeks I'm practicing my Ho'oponopono. It was giving me a very good relief as well as
I didn't hear
very good
how long.
sleep.
I didn't hear since how long you are doing Ho'oponopono.
It's more than 2 to 3 weeks.
It's more than 2 to
We
3.
are doing 2-3 weeks.
Okay. Like, how many times do you do in a day?
Morning I used to do 1 or 8 times, and evening before going to sleep I used to do 1 or 8 times.
Okay.
Ho'oponopono.
What is the difference you have seen in yourself because of doing Ho'oponopono?
Before doing this Ho'oponopono, I've not get my sleep properly. After doing it regularly, I get a good sleep and a deep sleep. I get a big relief. Whatever the problems, I used to come out of that automatically without any.
I remember you mentioning like continuously we're not able to sleep for many, many days in the night.
Exactly.
Right. And now it has helped you.
It helped me a lot to get a good sleep.
So are you able to sleep peacefully now?
Yeah, I can sleep very peacefully.
Awesome. Awesome. Great. And have you done Ho'oponopono for yourself when you're feeling uncomfortable, or do you feel you have healed something more in this?
Yeah, I used to do it while I'm getting my cough or fever, or when I get my cough, I used to do Ho'oponopono.
Yeah, you
And
mentioned you had viral fever, right?
I
Once.
had
And after that, you had a lot of
lot of
dry
cough.
cough for a very
Yeah.
long time. Yeah, I remember. So what happened?
After doing it, my cough got reduced, and I really get big relief for me that the cough have reduced a lot. I was getting a cough for more than a month. It was
Okay.
continuously was getting a cough.
So
Because
that
of
helped
doing
you.
this regularly, it helps me a lot.
Okay. And now it's reduced?
Yeah, it gets reduced.
Okay. Awesome. Since 30 days, you are having that dry, cold cough,
Yeah,
which you're feeling uncomfortable. I'm
comfortable.
glad that you are using Ho'oponopono in healing that. And were you on medication for anything?
Just doing Ho'oponopono and as well as meditations.
Okay, you are not taking medication for your cough.
Mm.
Okay, I remember you are not a tablet person, so
Tablet person.
you prefer to heal on your own. So yeah, I'm glad that you have been using it and it is being helpful to you. I'm very thankful that you are able to share this and inspire a lot of people. Thank you so much, Ramya.
Thank
And
you.
I request all of you, whoever is watching, please take the benefit of doing Ho'oponopono. It's a wonderful healing process. Please do it. Ease your life and share this video with people who can help themselves. So also like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.